Hey there everyone and welcome back to this channel Girl Tech Decoder. Today we are kicking off an exciting series on one of the most popular programming languages out there, Python. Before we dive into the world of Python, I want to share something important with you. Learning to code is like unlocking a superpower. It's a skill that can open doors to endless opportunities, allowing you to build amazing things, solve real world problems, and make a significant impact. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So let's take this journey together step by step and unleash your potential. So let's begin. What is Python? Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that was released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. It's widely loved for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Why Python? You might be wondering, why should I even learn Python? Well, here are a few compelling reasons. Firstly, it's cross-platform compatibility. Python works seamlessly on different platforms, including Mac, Windows, and Linux. Secondly, its simple syntax. Python's syntax is designed to be easy to read and write. Similar to English language, this makes it accessible and reduces the learning curve. Its vast community. Python has a large and active community. Whether you need help or want to contribute, there's always someone out there. Its extensive libraries. Python boasts an extensive collection of libraries that makes development faster and easier. Also, Python allows developers to develop using fewer lines of code than other programming languages. Moreover, Python developers are highly in demand. The versatility and power of Python have made it a favorite in many industries, from tech giants to startups. By learning Python, you're equipping yourself with a skill that is not only valuable but also sought after in the job market. There are some reasons why Python stands out. Python's versatility means it's also used in various fields, including software development, especially in web development. It's also used in data science, in analyzing data to gain insights and make informed decisions from it. Python is also used in artificial intelligence by building smart systems and applications. Python is used in automation to automating repetitive tasks to save time and increase efficiency. Python is used also in scientific computing and solving complex scientific problems. In the next video, we're going to download Python so that we can actually start coding and be able to do all of the amazing things that Python can do. So, see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.